Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn how to use HSA and FSA card on Amazon. Without further ado, let's get started. To use your HSA or health savings account or FSA flexible spending account card on Amazon, follow these steps. Check eligibility. Ensure the item you are purchasing is eligible for HSA or FSA payment. Generally, this includes medical expenses, prescription medications, and certain health-related products. Amazon usually lists eligible items as HSA or FSA eligible. Add your HSA or FSA card to Amazon. Log in to your Amazon account. Go to your account and select payment options. Under your credit and debit cards, click Add a card. Add your HSA or FSA card details like a normal credit or debit card. Make sure the card is linked to your HSA or FSA provider. Note, some cards may be associated with a specific provider, like Optum Bank or a similar service. Select HSA or FSA payment during checkout. When you are ready to check out, go to your card and click Proceed to checkout. Under Payment Method, select HSA or FSA card that you have added to your Amazon account. Confirm your purchase. Monitor your HSA or FSA balance. Be sure you have enough funds available in your HSA or FSA account to cover the purchase. You can usually check your balance online via your HSA or FSA provider. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Before leaving this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos and contents. Peace out.